Keep your pool crystal clear without spending hours removing leaves and debris. Best Pool Skimmer robot options offer automatic cleaning, smart navigation, solar efficiency, and hassle-free maintenance, helping you enjoy cleaner water and more relaxing pool time every day. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started.
Number 1. Betta SE Solar-Powered Skimmer. The Betta SE Solar-Powered Skimmer is a reliable choice for pool owners who want a simple and energy-efficient way to keep their pool surface clean. Operating entirely on solar power, it continuously removes floating debris such as leaves, pollen, dust, insects, and pet hair throughout the day. Its advanced aqua dynamics design allows the unit to remain active for over 30 hours on a full charge, making it dependable even during cloudy weather or overnight use. The fast solar recharge time of approximately 5 to 6 hours helps minimize downtime and keeps cleaning performance consistent. One of the standout features is its patented twin salt-chlorine tolerant motors, which provide dependable operation in both freshwater and saltwater pools. The large 200-micron fine mesh debris basket captures a significant amount of debris before needing to be emptied. Cleaning the basket is simple thanks to the convenient top handle that allows quick access without removing the skimmer from the water. With its low-maintenance design, quiet operation, and dependable solar-powered performance, the Betta SE offers an effective solution for maintaining a cleaner pool surface with minimal effort from the owner. Number 2. AIPER EcoSurfer S2 Skimmer. The AIPER EcoSurfer S2 Skimmer combines advanced technology with convenient automation to deliver impressive pool surface cleaning. Powered by solar energy, it can operate around the clock when sufficient sunlight is available. During cloudy conditions, the backup rechargeable battery provides up to 35 hours of runtime, ensuring consistent debris removal without frequent interruptions. Its 150-micron filtration system efficiently captures leaves, insects, pollen, and other floating debris, while the debris guard design helps prevent collected waste from escaping back into the pool. A major advantage of the AIPER EcoSurfer S2 is its smart app connectivity. Users can remotely start or stop cleaning sessions, create customized schedules, monitor cleaning progress, and receive alerts if the unit encounters an obstruction. The dual sensor navigation system and intelligent obstacle avoidance technology help the skimmer move efficiently around pool features while improving edge and corner cleaning performance. An integrated chlorine tablet holder further enhances convenience by helping maintain water clarity during operation. With strong cleaning performance, intelligent navigation, and app-based controls, the AIPER EcoSurfer S2 offers a modern and user-friendly approach to automated pool maintenance.
Number 3. Beatbot iSkim Robotic Skimmer. The Beatbot iSkim Robotic Skimmer is designed for pool owners seeking maximum cleaning capacity and extended operation. Its oversized 9-liter debris basket is one of the largest available in its category, allowing it to collect substantial amounts of leaves, insects, and floating debris before requiring emptying. The wide debris intake improves collection efficiency by capturing both fine particles and larger debris that often accumulate on the water's surface. This larger capacity translates to less maintenance and more uninterrupted cleaning time. The skimmer is powered by a high-efficiency 24-watt solar panel paired with a 10,000 mAh battery, providing up to 28 hours of runtime even when sunlight is limited. Its intelligent obstacle detection system and anti-stranding design help prevent the unit from becoming stuck near pool steps or shallow ledges. 6 guided wheels improve maneuverability and allow the skimmer to reach walls and corners for more complete surface coverage. Built with saltwater-safe materials and corrosion-resistant components, the iSkim is suitable for a variety of pool environments. Combined with its generous warranty coverage and dependable performance, the Beatbot iSkim delivers a premium automated cleaning experience. Number 4. Pleco SK02 Solar-Powered Skimmer. The Pleco SK02 solar-powered skimmer delivers a balanced combination of smart controls, powerful cleaning performance, and flexible charging options. Its dual charging system allows the unit to operate using solar energy while also supporting backup cable charging for cloudy days and nighttime use. The built-in 8500 mAh battery provides extended operation, helping maintain a consistently clean pool surface. Through the dedicated mobile app, users can monitor battery levels, water temperature, cleaning status, and receive clog alerts in real time. The upgraded brushless motor generates strong suction to capture leaves, insects, petals, and other floating debris, while the 18-micron filtration system helps trap smaller particles. An integrated chlorine tablet dispenser adds convenience by supporting water clarity during cleaning cycles. With smart controls and reliable runtime, the Pleco SK02 offers an efficient and user-friendly pool maintenance experience.
Number 5. POOLHACKER Solar-Powered Skimmer. The POOLHACKER Solar-Powered Skimmer is designed for continuous low-maintenance pool cleaning with a strong focus on efficiency and reliability. Featuring 95% solar coverage and charge-while-running capability, it continuously replenishes power while cleaning the pool surface. Its high-efficiency battery system can operate for up to 72 hours on a full charge, even without sunlight, making it a dependable option during extended cloudy conditions. The funnel-shaped intake and deep front scoop help guide debris into the basket more effectively, capturing leaves, bugs, pollen, and other floating particles before they drift away. A large 5.9-liter basket reduces the need for frequent emptying, while the 150-micron mesh captures fine debris without restricting water flow. Advanced navigation technology, including ultrasonic sensors, a 6-axis gyroscope, and anti-grounding legs, helps prevent interruptions and supports smooth operation across various pool environments.